Welcome to Odessa, a legendary city with its own very special culture, traditions, and even with its own cuisine. Odessa is situated in Eastern Europe at the Black Sea coast. Here's a secret map of the city, made by well-known Ukrainian painter Yuli Halperin. Here is the monument of a Frenchman, Duc de Richelieu, in the very center of our city. You're probably wondering, why? Duc de Richelieu was one of our city founders. After a great career as a governor of Odessa, he became Prime Minister of France. But we call him our Duke. The famous Potemkin Stairs. We proudly call this giant staircase the eighth wonder of the world. And here's our opera and ballet house. Just look at it. It's a real architectural masterpiece. Odessa always celebrates something. And that's why here is a joke, the last but not the least.
Excuse me, are you from Odessa?
Yes, I am.
Is it a nice city, Odessa?
You've never been there?
I am going there for the first time.
You look like you must be 30 years old. What have you been doing all these years that you haven't seen Odessa?